Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I haven't been on here in a long time because my YouTube videos, I'm kind of having a love-hate relationship with YouTube at the moment because I feel like I put so much time and energy into the videos and then they get no views and I feel like I'm wasting my time, even though I really like them. Like, I enjoy making YouTube content, but sometimes I'm like, should I just be putting this time and energy into my Instagram? But anyway, in today's video I am going to be unboxing some new beauty PR that I have and doing a full face of new makeup. I have the new Ysl foundation, the Ysl New Foundation. I have a brand new Charlotte Tilbury PR box that you are going to die. They sent me the quick and easy, wee busy, scribble, smudge and swipe and go, quick easy makeup, 5-minute looks PR box. So there's like different looks in each box. I'm going to go through them, I'm going to show you what's inside them, I'm going to put them on my face and do a full face of some new bits. I also have some PR from Sculpted by AIMEE. This is their new Hydralip and it looks absolutely amazing. It's really hydrating and the coverage is still really great. It's not like super sheer and I think that you could probably use them on your cheeks, so I might even attempt that today. So let's get straight into the video, starting off with the Ysl New Foundation, which is a super sheer like skin tint foundation, perfect for the summer. I've been using it a lot recently and I'm a big fan of it. This is the New Foundation Bare Look Tint and this is in the shade 10. So it's a super sheer foundation, so you can definitely go up a shade or two because it doesn't have a huge amount of coverage in it. It is quite buildable, but it's very breathable on your skin. Like, I just think it's going to be the most perfect foundation for the summer because you can make it as sheer as you like, or you can build it up to like a medium coverage, but it's just so comfortable. It's very breathable. You don't feel like you have makeup on when you're wearing it, which I think is exactly what you want in the summer. It just feels like really hydrating. It's nearly like a tinted moisturizer, but it's a little bit more like, has a little bit more of a foundation kind of a finish to it rather than the shininess of a tinted moisturizer. It's definitely kind of like, even though it's dewy and fresh looking, it doesn't have like a kind of a sweaty gel-like look to it. But it is just so nice. I'm really liking applying it with a beauty blender. Definitely going to get more shades in this because I could even see myself wearing this in the winter when I'm like paler, but just as like going to work foundation, or like if I don't have something big on that day, I just want a little bit of a colour. It kind of reminds me a little bit of the Flawless Filter by Charlotte Tilbury without the kind of a shimmeriness that the Flawless Filter has. This is just like a little bit more like skin rather than shiny, but I love them both for different reasons, but this one I'm just absolutely loving at the moment. But a little went a long way there, especially with the beauty blender. I'm actually thinking that I'm getting more coverage out of it with the beauty blender, and usually it would be the opposite way around, but today, whatever way I'm doing after doing it, it has given a good bit of coverage. So it's definitely buildable. It wouldn't be a full coverage, but it's giving a fairly good medium coverage, which is great. So let's go through the new Charlotte Tilbury press box that I got. So basically the idea of these is that you get a whole look in a box. So there's, I'm going to work, I'm going to get that glow, I'm going on holidays, I'm going on hot days, I'm going to the gyms. So then each of them have like 3 core products to create that look. Now the only thing that I think that all of them are missing is a bronzer. I think if they just added another little slot that had a bronzer, you'd be good to go, because then you've got your blush, highlight, bronzer and an eye product. But now you just have your blush and highlight and eye product. So I'm going to get that glow, is actually my favourite one because it comes with this gorgeous little bronzer eye stick that is so easy to use. Like, I totally get where they're coming from with the 5-minute get ready with me. And it has like a little mirror as well, which is ideal for getting ready on the go. So you literally just scribble that over your eye. You don't even need a brush actually with these because they just blend in. And you literally just pat it in with your finger and you literally have your eye makeup done just like that. Now obviously these aren't for doing like big masterpiece work of arts because there's only one eyeshadow in it. You could use maybe the blush on your eye if you were up for doing something more pinky or corally, but like, it's so handy to keep in your maybe locker or your handbag if you were going out after work and needed to top up your makeup. Now one thing is, when they come in the little boxes, they actually don't have a top on them, so you need to make sure that you're clicking them back in. So then this is the one that came in this one, Golden Glow Lips and Cheeks. So this actually works on your lips as well. Well, it looks really nice on your lips actually. But I do want to show you the Sculpted by AIMEE Hydrolyps as well. So we'll just put that on for now. And then you can see how pigmented the cheek products are. This is the highlight that comes in this kit. which is quite a sheer glossy one, so it looks really nice over this like bright blush. Blend that in with your finger if you like, or else you could use a brush or a beauty blender. But like, it's such a good concept. Like I said, the only thing I'd love to see in them now is like a little bronzer, and you'd be sorted for like going out really quickly in a rush. This one is so pretty, from the holiday one, so it has a kind of a deep coral pink for your lips and cheeks. That's probably my favourite one actually. And then it comes with this kind of a rose gold pink eyeshadow. My eyes are going to have every single colour on them. This one's really pretty as well. But let me know what your thoughts are on these. Do you prefer like full size products? Do you like the idea of this is for like on the go, quick and easy? For top ups or like last minute plans, or do you prefer like doing your makeup properly at home with all the full size products? That looks really nice. I think I'm going to use this on my cheeks because clearly we all know I need more blusher. Work one is actually gorgeous too. It has a matte brown, like a chocolate matte brown, really nice colour, because the rest of them I think are all shimmery. So just to give you an idea of what the matte brown looks like, I know I have all the colours on my eyes now at this stage, but that is what that one looks like if we just blend it out with our finger. Yeah, now that I'm looking, none of the actual none of the blushers have highlight in them, so that's probably why they made the highlights like a main product in the hero. This is the cheek colour for the gym one, which is quite dark, kind of an orangey colour. Oh, that's pretty. That's really nice. It's nice that you can blend them into your cheeks and your lips without even using any brushes. And then the eye colour for the gym one is just a plain, kind of like a concealer shade, which is super handy. So I'm just going to blend out my cheeks, and then I'm going to come back on and put on some mascara, and we'll go through the Hydralips. Just to finish look, I just tapped a tiny bit of the Celestial palette glitter on top, and now I'm using the Dream Pop Mascara, which is literally my new all-time favourite mascara. I feel like I'm just going to use this mascara for life. It is so good. The colour is so unusual. It's nearly like a pinky reddy brown, so it's just stunning on blue and green eyes. So pretty, and it's a brilliant mascara as well. The black one's fab as well, but now I'm just like, I only wear brown mascara now, but this is like not even brown, like I was saying. It's like a reddy kind of a colour, so it looks so pretty next to these like peachy, pretty summery tones. Next up we have the Sculpted by Amy Hydrolyp. Now can we just give a major shout out to how beautiful the press box is. Like, the campaign is very high fashion with the flowers on the lips and stuff. It's absolutely stunning. And then you pull it out and you have all of the shades and like a little swatch. I put on blush yesterday, of course, and oh my goodness, it was absolutely stunning. So I'll just give you a look at all of them on. So this is blush on, which is like a pale blue toned pink, and these lip balms actually have hyaluronic acid and SPF 20 in them with a moisturizing jojoba oil. They have a smell. It's not a bad smell, but there's like a little smell. It's probably actually it is the jojoba oil, because I had a shower gel before that, literally smelled the exact same. That is blush on, which is my personal favorite, and it goes very well with the rest of the look. And next up we have the shade Mauve, which is like, as you would expect a mauve to be, kind of a purpley toned nude. This would be really nice even with a pinky liner, just to add a bit of warmth. But if you're someone who's into a good kind of mauvey nude, this is the perfect mauvey shade.
I've tried to tell you this 100 times. Not getting better by lying there pretending to cry. You on repeat, you can see, cause you have closed your eyes. You say you listen, but you're missing what it's all about.